What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in the SouthBay Galleria. And this is the location where the Champs is closed. But they do have a fans and some of the price has been crazy. And it is still 40% off. Man, I hope they mark some stuff down because 40% is kind of crazy still. But yeah, it's not bad. Look, 195 down to 100, down to 60. Mookie Betts. Did he get traded? He's still with the Dodgers, ain't he? More mediums right here. Do got Fanatics brand. LA Kings. Yeah, see it's been marked down 50 bucks. So that's what, $30 after the discount. New Era Dodgers gear right here, 45. So it's 65 down to 45, then another 40 on top. It's super thin though. LA Galaxy shirt going for 26. Dude got Rams gear, just NFL apparel, but it's for kids. It's for kids, 38 for that. Moving up to large, Stitches brand Dodger shirt, 15 bucks. MLB team apparel, 18. Large Cowboy shirt, $28, 47 brand. Galaxy jersey down to 68. Remember, you get an extra 40 off. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Got USA jersey right here, 71, 40 off. So that's like what, 50 bucks or something like that. Not bad. LeBron James, everybody talking about him being traded. I think his agent said, hell no, that fool ain't getting traded. It's kind of crazy that he came out so quick. But yeah, XL, someone put his signature right there. But yeah, that is 84. Booker jersey right here, this is an XL, $40. Another one of these. I was trying to remember the price, 50 for those. Ohtani jerseys, everybody getting rid of their Angels. Ohtani jerseys going for 60. Boxton XL shirt right here, go for 18. That's a Nike. Dodgers New Era. This is actually really nice. 28. Has a pennant on this, pretty cool. Do have a ton of regular stuff here, but everything's, or most of the stuff, regular price. And that's including this stuff right here. Pro Standard hoodie right here. Does have Lakers on. Obviously, this is a Lakers. Buck 10. And then look at this right here. This one's hella dope right here. Mitchell and S, $170 premium. Holy crap. More Lakers apparel. Going for 100. Mitchell and S. Oh, I hate this logo. I'm so not a fan of this logo right here. I think this is a Pro Standard. Or maybe not. Maybe not. I've never heard of this brand. Sportique. Buck 20 for those. Damn, it's all Lakers stuff right here. But it's also all regular price. Also got a 40% off section right here. See if they marked any of this stuff down. 15 bucks for the Lakers socks. It's the Seahawks. Seattle Seahawks going for $8. 40% off. That's about 5 bucks. 5 bucks for NFL socks. $9 for these Magic Stance socks right here. Got shot glasses for $5. These are normally $11. Remember, you get 40% off all this. These are down to what, $3, $2-3 bucks, something like that, or $1. They're down to $1. Mini pucks. And then they got mini guys right here. Is that a bobblehead? Not a bobblehead. I have no clue. But yeah, they're 11 down to $5. Is it 2 for $5? I'm so confused. And jerseys, they don't have a crazy selection. These are still $113 for the Lakers ones right here. These are all the cream colors. The Bibby for $113. Steve Smith ones. These were hella cheap. But this is a double XL right here. I think it says $40. I think it says 40 bucks. Can check this one right here. Yeah, $40. Multiple colorways, all $40. Small LeBron jersey right here, 90. Got a couple of smalls going for 90. Jimmy Butler Miami jersey. This is small, going for 85. That's kind of a cool jersey, kind of wild. LaMelo jerseys, they got a few going for 65 right here, a few different sizes. And then Kevin Durant and Booker jerseys, we've seen a bunch of those. Down to $85. Nothing crazy, nothing too crazy. Then right across the way you do have a Liz. Let's see what's up here. $10 hat section right here. Got some snapbacks. New Era snapbacks going for 10 bucks. What is that? Is that the Colorado Rockies? Yep. Got World Series hat, I guess Angels, yeah. Astros hat right there. Those are fitted size 8. Mets, size 8. Diamondbacks, 7 3/4. Lakers adjustable hat right here, going for $10. Kind of disappointed with lids, I'm not gonna lie. One of the deader malls. I think Puente Hills beats it, but this one is pretty dead. Got 3 stores in a row that are closed. Even their anchor store is a dinosaur store. Like, really? Really? All right, let's check out Sho Palace. I think Sho Palace and Chic are the only ones left. Starting with the Jordan section. Did they make a PSG 312s? Legacy 312s? I was not aware of that. $145 for this one because it is a collab and it is pretty much a special edition. Wow. Wow. And they still just use the mediocre Jordan 1 low leather right there. Wow. $145 for that. Is that worth all that? I don't know. I don't think so. Of course, they got all the other regular ones. It's the exact same leather, dude. Man, they got them on sale at least. And they do have some releases. They got the Fear 3s. I don't know what colorway those two were. The ochre or something? But yeah, they got some J's. 6 different Dunk lows. And then are starting to see some of the OGs. Well, kind of OG. Some nylon, not all nylon. $90 for these right here, these Cortez. Okay. But yeah, I don't really recognize any of, I guess I recognize this one. But yeah, I don't really recognize too many of these. People call them these the Freddy Cougars. Some people are. I'm like, they have SB Freddy Cougars from way back when. But yeah, man, that's it. Do got a sale section right here. The Air Force 88s right here. Couple different colorways, $50. Got Blazer Jumbos going for $40. Air Forces. Got some Hirachis. Alright, I think that's it, man. Last row here is a Chic. Kind of the same sales they've had for a while. $90 for the LeBron 20s right here. 21s down to $150 here. $150 for those right there. Got a bunch of different Witness 8s. Those are going for retail. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. Okay. Plenty of Dunks at this spot as well. We do got a couple of the Jumbo Dunks right here. Jumbo Dunk lows. Does have more of a skate vibe to these. These are also going on sale for $100. This is on sale for $100 as well. Okay. In the women's section, they got that Dunk Twist on sale for $70. Look at this. $45 for Dunks. These are grade school, right? These are grade school. Oh, these are women's. A women's 6. That's a 4.5. $45 for Dunks. Are you effing serious? That is crazy. Dunk mids or Dunk highs right here. Also going for $55. Wow. That's crazy cheap. And then I've never seen these Cortez. Women's Cortez. $100 for these. Super suede-y. Holy cow. Okay, got Blazers right here, $50. Air Max 270s. Would never thought these would go on sale like that. And then even Air Forces. Holy cow. I think this is the grade school section. $60 for grade school Air Forces. Holy cow. Not bad. Not that many sneaker stores here, but not too bad. Jordan section right here. Still got these on $135 right here. They do have the other Jordan releases right there. Women's satin breads on sale. Also the kids grade school on sale for $120. All right, not bad. I'm gonna have to hit up another store though. Let's go somewhere else. $6 an hour for parking. That's why I don't go to downtown LA. Downtown LA right next to Jetman LA. Got here early, so we're checking out Ross. Haven't hit up too many Ross lately. It's worth a check though. It's worth a check. Got some time. Maybe it's not worth a check. It is kind of dead. But yeah, $80 for some Timbs right here. Don't know what size. Crocs making their way back in droves. $25 for a couple of these Crocs. Been even seeing them get discounted. These are size 9. Got some of these 4D things right here. These are size 10. These are going for $70. Not too bad. MSRP. 2 bills on those. Got some Under Armours right here. $50 for these. I don't really know what these are. Wind Velocities. Project Rock Slides. $70 under $22 size. There's no way these are 14.5. They don't make half sizes of slides. What are they talking about? What are they talking about? Size 13. It's a 14.5 women. Someone read it wrong. Got a size 11 right here too. Okay, 22. Yankees off-court slides right here down to 22. Man, I remember seeing those for 15 a while back. And then, like I've said, I'd seen a bunch of Crocs. They got these going for 25. Got some of these 4D things right here. These are size 10. These are going for $70. Not too bad. MSRP. 2 bills on those. Got some Under Armours right here. $50 for these. I don't really know what these are. Wind Velocities. Project Rock Slides. $70 under $22 size. There's no way these are 14.5. They don't make half sizes of slides. What are they talking about? What are they talking about? Size 13. It's a 14.5 women. Someone read it wrong. Got a size 11 right here too. Okay, 22. Yankees off-court slides right here down to 22. Man, I remember seeing those for 15 a while back. And then, like I've said, I'd seen a bunch of Crocs. They got these going for 25. Moving over to the women's section. I didn't see anything in the kids section either. Got some Crocs right here. Size 6 men's, 8 women's, 25. Decent blue color. Plenty of Hokas. These are the Gabriella 4s going for 90. And then do got these, I don't know, what the hell are these called? The Infinite, whatever. But yeah, they got these. These are what, 40 something. But that's about it. There's a Burlington right across the way. Let's go there. All right, let's go see what's going on right here. Jetman LA right here. Burlington right here. They even have security right there next to the men's shoes. Wow. I forgot to show you guys the aisles in Ross. Burlington definitely a lot more packed than Ross. Do they have any quality though? Do got some pretty dope cleats. I think it's like a size 11 or something. But doesn't have a price tag, bastards. Oh, size 13. My bad, size 13. Some of them foam runner thingies. What are these? The Adidas foams going for $32. Size 12. Nike softball. These should be in the women's section. I don't know what price these are. Yeah, these should be in the women's, but it is what it is. We got some Prestos right here. Nobody was even next to those. What the hell? $30 for Prestos? Holy cow, is it kind of dirty? I don't know. Size 7. I think that's a women's. I don't know. In the men's section. Got the Adidas clogs right here. Size 10. The Adilet clogs, that is. No price tag though. Crocs. Damn, how do so many things not have price tags on it, man? These fools is tripping. Okay, these are 20, cheaper than Ross. Pumas, size 11 or 12, go for 30. Some of the Vapor cleats. Oh, dang it. No, what's it called? No price tags on a bunch of stuff here. I think these are normally like 25 or 30. More bigger pleats. Oh, 25 for these. Did I say pleats? 25 for these cleats right here. Okay. I have a ton of these. If that's some smaller ones, they're all bigger sizes, 25 bucks. I guess that is what happens when you shop at Ross and Burlington sometimes. Zoom Freak 5s right here, size 14 go for 50. Donovan Mitchell's? Are these collabs? These are size 9 too, really good size. Don issue 3s, and they're 35 bucks, dude. 35 bucks. Pretty dope find. Got some Brazil. What are these? The GTs? The GT Blazers right here. The Grand Taylors, 37. These are huge though. Women's section packed as hell. But those ain't no size 12 women's. What the hell? Yeah, they jacking stuff all up. Just for perspective, size 7 Avalon, 25 bucks. 25 bucks, size, what, 7.5, so size 6 youth. That's hella cheap. Got some RSX down there. Not really much in the women's section though. Got these fluffy Vans. But yeah, I walked through the whole section, didn't really find much. These are 30 right here. And then check in the apparel section here. Look at this. Of course, it's the same dude though. Bastards. They tease me. But look at this right here. Dude got Dodgers merch. This is a large right here, going for $15. This is Majestic brand. Not the most high end, but for what, $15? Definitely a solid deal. In the XL right here, more Majestic stuff right here. Do have a jersey, and it is, it is legit, just not one of the high end ones, like I said. But for $17, got a NL patch right there. Do got the Dodgers patch right there. Not bad for 17 bucks. I'd definitely rock those. And then a shirt right here. I'm not like a Dodgers fan though. I don't really follow baseball, but for $8, definitely a steal. These are XLs right here. Not bad at all. XL section again. Fanatics Mets hoodie right here. It is pretty thin. I don't see a price tag. I do not see a price tag. That's messed up. In the medium section, they just got this right here. This construction vest right here. $25. Normally $90 though. I guess it's good if you're going hiking and stuff and you're lost in the woods. I guess it's good for something like that. Especially if the helicopter has to find you or something. Small Mitchell and S shirt right here, $15. 15 bucks. This is hella nice. That's fire, dude. UCLA Coliseum. $5 freaking. That is dope. This is small as well. Nike dry fit shirt right here. 15 bucks. Normally what, 30? Normally 30 right here. And then what's this? Oh dang, pretty bootleg stuff right here. It is a Lakers baseball. U brand. Nah, that is 17. It's not too bad, to be honest.